Security for Edo improve wella since the new Commissioner of Police come Edo State. Acting Governor Philip Shaibu na im tok dis one. Acting Governor for Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don tok say the state go join body with the Nigerian Police and other federal security agencies to strengthen the state policing system wey go help stop kilikili and tifi-tifi to protect the lives and properties of Edo people. He tok dis one for the passing out parade for 474 new policemen from Edo, Delta and Cross River State wey shele for Ogida Police Barracks for Benin City. Chief of Staff to the Governor, Honourable Osaigbovo Ijoha, wey represent the acting governor, come congratulate the new police officers wey dem take finish their training, come hail the Inspector General of Police and Edo State Commissioner of Police for their help to provide peace and security wey dem dey enjoy for the state. Say since dem bring the Commissioner of Police come Edo, security matter don improve for the state.
I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of the passing out parade of 10,000 constables and 474 general recruit constables by the Nigerian Police Force. I congratulate the new recruits who have gone through a very rigorous training and testing of their intellect and resilience in order to join our fast evolving security architecture. As a government, we are aware of the indispensable role that security plays in the socio-economic growth and development of our state and have taken strategic steps to strengthen our security architecture, ensuring the safety and security of people and business in the state. This is because we can understand that investments being made today in our dear state can only be sustained with improvement in public safety and security. Taking into cognizance our peculiar security needs, we developed a robust security system for the state, evolving a public safety system that is anchored on citizen participation with a bottom-up structure, such that citizens are actively engaged in intelligence gathering, providing critical and time-sensitive information to protect and secure their immediate communities in collaboration with the federal government-controlled security outfits. We mobilized our people in activating the community policing model to provide an intelligence-driven security system, which today has in no small measure forestalled crime and criminality in major cities, towns, and communities across Edo State. From thwarting robbery incidents in Ekboma to helping to rescue kidnapped victims in Esako and quelling court-related clashes in Benin City, the anti-network has proven to be an integral part of our security apparatus. We specifically thank the Inspector General of Police and the Edo State Commissioner of Police for their unalloyed support and partnership that has translated to the peace and security that we enjoy in the state today. It is worthwhile to note that since the present Commissioner of Police was deployed to Edo, there have been noticeable improvements in security in the state, and we believe that this reduction in crime has been due to the tact and good leadership you have displayed in effectively coordinating community-led security system in partnership with other security outfits. We want to commend you and assure you that we will continue to work with you and ensure you have the necessary resources to carry out your constitutional duties. We are also proud of the significant role that the Edo State Constabulary Service, a public safety initiative adopted by our administration to restore peace and order and provide adequate security for lives and property in the state, has played in the realization of that objective. Today, Edo is not just one of the safest and most secure states to live and do business, but is now a model for other sub-nationals in Africa on how governments can boost economic growth and development by strengthening security. Amid this remarkable progress in the management of our security and improvement in the security environment, the state government is determined to improve on the feats so far recorded and ensure that kidnapping, armed robbery, land grabbing, and other criminal activities are reduced to the barest minimum, and urge for your continued collaboration and support of all stakeholders in this regard. We understand the importance of human capacity development in the management of our security architecture and are committed to boosting the capacity of the security personnel who are at the forefront of the government's efforts at combating crime and ensuring the security of lives and property of our people. This is the reason we are investing hugely in the upgrade of the police training facility in Ogida Barracks in Siloko axis of Benin City. With the project nearly completed, we envisage a world-class facility that would help in the training and retraining of officers of the state's vigilante security network, the state's constabulary, members of the public works volunteers, and other members of the state security architecture. The state-of-the-art facility will house classrooms, hostels, halls, and drill facilities for the training of operatives to complement the federal security system and guarantee peace, security, and order in the state. To the new constables, you are coming on board at this very auspicious time when the government is reviewing and upgrading its security system to sustain the gains recorded in terms of security in the state. I charge you to exhibit the highest level of discipline, integrity, patriotism, exemplary service to the state and its people. We must not forget that security is a collective responsibility. Everyone must get involved in the process of ensuring a secured, viral, and prosperous Edo State. As a government, we are not resting on our oars. We are enhancing our system to guarantee the security of lives and property of every citizen and solicit the active participation of all citizens to nip crime in the bud.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.